I had like a slight pain. I went to the doctor. Then I started finding out that I had some disc problems in my lower back.
Can I pause you for 1 second?
Yeah.
What kind of doctor did you see? Who evaluated you? Like a normal medical doctor?
Normal medical doctor, neurologist, a
wow.
chiropractor, like.
Oh, a whole team of.
Yeah, because they were thinking that like it was an autoimmune disease, like thing that my body was like attacked. Like, yeah.
Why?
They tried to put me on a bunch of different pills to like stop it.
Really?
Also, when I was like going to the neurologist, I had like loss of sensation more on my left side.
Yeah.
Then, you know, because when I didn't have, like when I had like the numbness, tingling sensation, like loss of sensation in my fingertips, I still had it like on my cheeks, but mostly on my left side.
Wow.
And
After we get these x-rays, I'm gonna run a quick EMG just to see postural pattern over his neck. That way we can match that with his x-rays. We get a nice little blueprint so we know how to cook it up.
so, you know, right now I feel the tingling sensation in my thumb, my index, and middle finger.
C5.
Your body's laced in receptors that relay information at all times to the brain. Since the brain runs everything, it relies on that information in order to make adjustments as we go through our day and our life. This ain't massage envy. Okay, I want you to cross your right ankle over your left ankle for me, please. To your right side for me. Good. Right in here. Oh, yeah. Just palpating your Achilles tendon here. There's a lot of tension here. You can almost feel like a buckle effect on this right side. A lot better tone on the left. Oh, now. Remember what I showed you on that x-ray? That top area of your spine? Go oh. Yeah. Yeah. Pump them up and down real quick. Good. Here. Down to the upper skull where the dura is. The center. I'm gonna come underneath. I felt that like all the way down, like from my lower back up. Nice. Must have felt good, huh? Yeah.